Hey, John Schuster here with Coldwell Banker. If you're thinking about selling your home anytime soon, we have an amazing offer just for you that runs the next month. We want to help you get the most money possible when you're selling your home, and we want to provide you with a blueprint for success. Reach out to us in the next week, and our brokerage will cover the upfront cost for some of the repairs and renovations your home may need. Plus, we will send an accredited home inspector in that will deliver you a home health report. In addition, we'll provide you with an in-depth staging consultation from a professional stager to show you how you can best showcase your home. And as I said earlier, our brokerage will spend up to $50,000 on the upfront costs for updates and repairs that your home may need. The best part, you won't pay a dime back until your home sells. Rest easy knowing that your home will sell for top dollar. Contact us today for full details. Please go to johnschuster.com and click connect in the upper right-hand corner, or call or text us at 952-222-9000. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.
Buy a home, sell a home, we'll get you moving. JohnSchusterGroup.com